Hi class, welcome to today's reading lesson. Today will be a short one just like yesterday because you're going to get on Wonders and listen to a story yourself. So let's remind ourselves we're learning about tools this week. So remember, we use tools to help us learn and explore in our world. So we've listened to a story the past 2 days about the handiest things in the world, which are things that make our hands even handier. So we use our hands to use them. And their different tools. Well, today you are going to listen to a read aloud called Timmy Moto. So this is about a boy and it's in a different country. So it's not happening where we live. This happens in Japan. And I want you to think about what the lesson is because this is a tale. So remember the handiest things in the world? That was about real life. So that was information that we were learning. This story is called a tale. So it didn't actually happen, but it always has a lesson. So think about the lesson and remember those tools and find out what tools Timmy Moto uses or finds. Okay? All right, now we're going to go on to our letter this week. This is our uppercase P, lowercase p. Remember, we use the word piano. And at the beginning of piano, we hear that p sound. So let's do our letter word sound for the last time this week. Ready? P, piano, P, piano, by yourself. All right. Now, yesterday, you guys, thumbs up, thumbs down if you heard the P sound at the beginning of a word. Now we're going to hear it at the end of a word. So when I say a word, I want you to thumbs up, thumbs down. But I'm not going to thumbs up, thumbs down with you because then we're going to look at them on this board. Right? So listen to my word and thumbs up if you hear the P at the end of the word. So I'll give you an example. If I said the word, let's see, lip, we hear the P at the end of lip. Okay? So really listen to my words and thumbs up if it is at the end. Ready? Our first word, rip. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Nut. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Mop. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Tap. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Cat. Sip. Cup. Man. All right, now let's look at these words written and we'll look if there was a P at the end, okay? That P sound that a P makes. All right, our first word was rip. Did you thumbs up? Right at the end of rip is a P, so it says that P sound. I don't think you can see that well. Right, so we have that P at the end, so we did thumbs up. The next word was nut. Does that sound like P, P? It doesn't, so that didn't have one. We should have thumbs down. Mop. I hear that P, and there's a P at the end of mop. All right, the next one, tap. We hear it again there. There was a P there. Oops, the lights went out. What about cat? Did we thumbs up? Nope. Sip. I hear it there. Cup. We hear it there. And our last one, man. We don't hear it there. All right, last, let's look at our sight word again for this week. Remember, it's a one-letter sight word. It's super easy. If you know the letter, you know the word. So remember, our word this week is A. A. Okay, so let's read these sentences and hear where we hear the word A. Okay? I see a pumpkin. That was a sight word we've learned. See, that was also a sight word. A, there it is. I'm going to circle my sight word. Pumpkin. What do we notice? Pumpkin. We hear our letter for this week twice in pumpkin. There's 2 P's there. All right, the next sentence. We have a dog. I heard A. We have a dog. And our last one. I see a map. I see my sight word. And then what about this word? Map. There's our P again. All right, guys, you're going to practice our sight word and letter again today. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you learn a good lesson from Timmy Moto today. All right, see you guys.